good morning, and it is a beautiful, crisp fall morning here in Asheville, North Carolina. Stepped outside to clear blue skies, a beautiful sunrise, and it was 39 degrees. Had the first frost on my trailer, so I know the boys at Full Tilt were watching this morning, waiting on their concrete. I appreciate you guys watching the video from yesterday. I know you guys up there are familiar with winter conditions, but that just brings up something to point out to guys that are new to this, and you may not have even hauled a piece of equipment. If you got a trailer, especially with a wood deck, really metal too, metal's bad. When it starts frosting, or they're calling for snow, throw you a tarp across your trailer, and if you don't have a piece of equipment on it to help with it. And even then, you know, if your ramps don't flip up and you just got like a dovetail, put you a tarp across that dovetail, and that way when you go to load or unload in the morning, you can take your tarp off and the frost will have only settled on that. Something most people don't know is that around here anyway, it will only frost if the skies are clear. If it's cloudy, it won't frost. So if they're calling for clear skies and cold, more than likely you'll probably get a good frost in the morning. And if you don't have those options, you better have your trailer flat when you go to unload or load. You know, if you start up the ramp, you know, if it's heavy enough, I know my tractor's pretty good. The cleats on the tires will, you know, push through and scuff that frost off, but it does not take a heavy frost to make loading and unloading dangerous. You guys be careful out there. So yeah, we are headed down to Hendersonville, North Carolina this morning to fix that really short section of road. But you know what good is a road if you've got even one small section that aggravates you, or you can't even get up and down because of it. So whether it's and this is the ironic thing, the road that we fixed that this driveway comes off of is about a mile long. So last time we were down here on this project, we were completely redoing 1 mile of gravel road, and now the next time we're going down there, it's more like 15 feet. So there you go. I don't really feel like running the interstate today. I could just jump on the back roads. We're out here. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day, man. I don't think it's gonna get too hot. We're definitely in that season, you know, where it's cold at night, and then our days are, you know, 50s, 60s. It's my kind of weather. I love working in this stuff, and you know, it's not as easy to get fatigued, and it's a slower time of year. You know, we haven't had a really good slowdown in a while. I'm finally getting caught up here lately. I'm only staying about, I think I'm only a week or two behind, which is my comfort zone. I get much more out than that, and it kind of makes me a little anxious because I hate to feel like somebody's waiting on me. And when it comes to a driveway, I know that it's something that somebody wants fixed ASAP. For you customers out there, you know, in a good economy like this, just about any contractor that's wanting to work is working, and a lot of them are trying to stay on big jobs, which I don't understand, because you tend to make better money on smaller jobs. It's more work, especially with relocating the equipment and everything. But you know, you get on a big job and you're stuck there for 2 or 3 weeks. Luckily, that last big driveway job, those were some good people, and I really enjoyed seeing them every day and getting to know them and their kids. Them little girls, boy, they were a trip. I enjoyed seeing them every time they come out. They loved the equipment. I just couldn't get it. They didn't want to. They would want to go for a ride, but you know, like kids, they want mom and daddy to take them for a ride, but they, mom and daddy didn't know how to drive the stuff. So maybe the next time I go up there, they'll be familiar enough with me. We can go for a ride. Somebody who's searching for a purpose in life, or you feel like your life ain't going nowhere, just introduce some kids into it. And it don't have to be your kids. It can be your nieces, nephews, some of your friends' kids. And you can teach them things. Teach them little things. Teach them how to identify a poplar tree from an oak, or, you know, put them on a piece of equipment. Have them brought to your job site. If you teach a kid something, even if you ain't big on kids, you know, it'll give you a good feeling. It'll make you feel like you've made a change in a little person's life. Now, who knows? They may end up making a career out of this crazy stuff because of it. For kids, it's easy to make a positive impact on their life. Your life will be just not going the way you really want it to, and you may be unhappy, but saying something positive to a young person is not, it don't cost you anything, but it can really make a good impact on their life. And I've talked to a lot of people that are in this kind of industry, and they just get plumb discouraged. Everybody wants to make the quick, easy money. Those of us who are fortunate to love doing this kind of work, the money's just a little bonus, you know. It's, financial security is good, but doing what you love every day, there's no replacement for it. If you work for somebody else and you really do try to do a good job for them, and you don't feel appreciated, it's time to move on. You deserve better than that. Now, there's some people out there that don't put everything into their job, and that's on them, but if you really work, you know, you deserve to have a good life. That's my hillbilly chatter for the day. Start your day on a positive note. And don't let that track coming off, or that blown hydraulic line, or even a bent cylinder, running out of fuel. Those are all little things that can be fixed. Every single one of them. She was good, buddy. That was one in that made my whole day perfect. Going home and seeing her. Oh God, I forgot about this. I shouldn't come this way. Come on, NCDOT. Y'all need to get on the ball here. Air in this air ride to fix that. They'll get them fixed. They just did that side over there, and it's moving. I'm glad they're doing the concrete on the bridges. You know, it'll last longer, and they're extending the joints out. I was wondering when they'd start doing that. They were just doing the joints right at the edge of the bridge, and that just never made sense to me. Apparently it didn't make sense to somebody higher up because they're changing it. Does make sense? Dunkin' Coffee. I am not a paid representative for Dunkin' Donuts. I go there every morning. That's my positive start to the day. But we'll get there. I ain't running this road no more until they fix it down. Mistake number one. Alright, I've jabbered enough. So we'll get on down here to the job and we'll go over how we're gonna fix this little section of road. Little Creek Road, that's the name of that job, and that's the road we're on. We starting right here for a mile. For the most part, we fixed the whole thing. There's a few sections that we didn't, but looks like it's holding up pretty good. That little section anyway. Down here is where we're going to be working today. So this section of road looks pretty good. We'll go on down to the bottom here and see which part it was she's having trouble with. Well, I know you guys can't see it. This is just kind of looks like there's been some crow hopping. There's just a bunch of little rumble strips where this material may have been a little too thick, I guess. We'll just smooth it out and put a light coat, a really light coat of road on down, and it'll get down in between that 3/4 wash, which this is 3/4 wash. And this is a beautiful stone, a lot of grays and whites, really pretty. And that just depends on which quarry you go to. So smooth this up and throw some road bond down. Smoothed up nicely. Got a little bit of a crown here in the middle, so we are ready for some road bond. You guys can see that this stuff has, let me just show you here. You can see how light of gray that road is up through there. And you can see this is packing in nicely. Still pretty soft just because there's such a thick coat of that washed stone in there. You can see how loose that is. This road bond's gonna bind in really nicely. I've still got a few tons. I wanted to just empty about the truck out about halfway, and that way I still had a couple of tons in the truck to weigh me down to pack that first layer. So now I'm gonna back up, spread the next layer on. was just a fun little project. We got it squared away, packed in with the truck. Hopefully that got it set well down into that 3/4 that's below it. And now if I can just climb up out of this hole without tearing up the work I just did, we'll have it made. So I'm not gonna lollygag around here. We'll support that. Okay, that's solid. She ain't gonna have no problems with that there. Guarantee. We don't even need the traction block now. No. We're rolling. I appreciate you guys joining me on this adventure again. That was a fun little project for us. The next project we got is next week. I think it's another driveway, but it's actually been washed out considerably in one spot, so it's going to be a little bit more involved and a little bit more fun. You guys be sure to like, comment below, tell me how I could have made this video better, and if you're not a member of our YouTube family, hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day and a great weekend.